Are you annoyed by the constant clicking of the camera? Are you afraid of scaring off your shooting subject? Try silent shooting mode. Let's dive in and figure out how to enable it. Access the camera menu. Press the menu button located on the back of the camera to enter the main menu system. Navigate to the shooting menu. Use the directional buttons or the touchscreen to find the shooting settings, typically indicated by a camera icon. Locate the shutter mode option. Scroll through the shooting menu until you find the shutter mode setting. This might be under a submenu related to drive modes or camera settings. Select electronic shutter. Highlight the electronic option and select it. This activates the camera's electronic shutter, allowing for silent shooting. Adjust other relevant settings. While in silent mode, you might want to adjust settings like ISO, aperture, and shutter speed to suit your shooting environment, especially if lighting conditions are challenging without the audible feedback of the mechanical shutter. Test the silent shutter. Take a few test shots to ensure the shutter sound is disabled and to check that your settings are appropriate for your subject and environment. Proceed with your silent shooting session. Now that you've activated the electronic shutter, you can shoot silently.